The Intel Falcon 8 Plus drone is an advanced UAV system designed for commercial inspections and close mapping. So what sets the Falcon 8 Plus drone apart? With efficient flight planning tools for mapping missions and precise control for inspections, the Falcon 8 Plus drone's powerful lightweight design enables stable flights even in challenging environments. The Intel Flight Control Unit ensures quick and reliable data fusion with 3 redundant IMUs that verify and control the drone's position, altitude, and orientation. The drone's premium camera sensors capture every detail and provide high-resolution, geo-referenced, and time-stamped images for down-to-millimeter accuracy. Plus, the Falcon 8 Plus drone's patented V-shaped design enables unobstructed views, top to bottom, all in one flight. You can configure the drone to be a closed system with isolated onboard storage for data privacy. The drone features maximum hardware and electronic subsystem redundancies for communications, batteries, rotors, and motors. Plus, the 3 IMUs help ensure responsiveness and stability. With advanced flight performance, precise data, and best-in-class safety, the Intel Falcon 8 Plus drone is a professional tool for commercial inspections.